Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you could get one at a low cost and get this fast shipped to you. All you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out really fast, and they're going to send you one of these. Bada boom. Coming from Smug Desk office chair. It is the white version. So since we're all working from home now, this would be a good one to get at a low cost. I do believe it's under $100. And with the Prime's fast free shipping, they'll ship this off to you guys. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to do the put together unboxing. It shouldn't be that hard. Looks pretty simple. Kind of like that one they just sent. But there it is down there. Got it. So I'm going to pause you guys and then I'm going to pause. Show you guys how it looks out of the box, and then I'll put it together. Alrighty, we got that part open. So there is the seat. Looks really sweet. That white, really nice. Ooh. Cushy. That might be a good gaming chair or so. But like I said, we're gonna be doing a lot of work from home now, so definitely don't mind doing chairs. Especially at a time like this. But here we go. Let's see what else we get. This must be the back. Oh, yep. I gotta be careful. Oh man. I put my pen down. Alright. Uh-oh. How the heck? Gonna send. Maybe it's inside. Ah, here we go. Okay, kind of got nervous for a second. Didn't think anything was there. So there's that. So, all right, I'll be right back, guys. In about 2 seconds. All right, guys, don't panic like I did for a second. I didn't think the main parts were there, but it is zipper. So once you unzip it, it's in back. That's really cool. Never thought I would see that in like a chair. Did quite a few chairs already, and this is the first time I've seen this style. But really cool though. I guess it saves room. Look at that. Huh. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. We got the Smug Desk white chair, office chair. Really nice. Easy to set up. The only part that gave me a little trouble was trying to put these two back on. But you just have to lay it down. The this part, the back part, you just gotta lay it down and then do one side, or like that screw. You just gotta screw that in a little bit and then that side. But I really dig this zipper part. You can hold extra stash, your goodies, whatever you have. You can hide it in there. Game controllers, remote controls, a pillow, one of those neck massage pillows. You can stuff in there. There's that. Looks really good too for the color. It's really shocked. But really comfortable. They got the switches up and down. Easy install. So if you guys are looking for a affordable office chair, this is a good one to get. And like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, check it out really fast. But like I said, maybe under 10 minutes or so, I managed to put everything together. So I'm getting the hang of these chairs. But to me, this part looks crooked. I'm not sure if maybe it's just no sleep. But there's that. There's that side. Like I said, instructions really simple. In case you guys lose them, you can always come back on this channel and take a look. That was really simple to do. That with the pump in the front, and then putting it down, Yeah, see right there is the sides. And see how it is number 5. It's folded kind of. So you just got to do it and then go on the other side and do it. Put those in and boosh. There it is. Like I said, easy to install. But if you got older folks at home, you might want to give them a hand. So, but pretty much easy install. Just the Allen wrench that came with it. That's all you need. And that's what it looks like now. So, got the new home, and you guys can get one too. And check out the other goodies. But if you like this kind of style, but like I said, this part with the zipper, really cool. Not too many chairs you see have that. So, just click the link, guys. Be safe. Have a good night, and see you soon.